Okay, 3. Here we go, 4th one. Okay, we're at Fluffy's on this cold morning. It's only like 43, but we have a cold wind that makes it feel like it's closer to 39 or 38 cold. Okay, cat treats are down. She's already finished her chewable flea and tick treatment. Jay retrieved her dry food dish, dumped the water out of her water dish. The water dish was rinsed out and refilled. A couple handfuls of dry food went into her dry food dish. And Jay's putting her breakfast down for her, so when she finishes with her treats, it'll be all ready for her. I think you got the last one. Okay, it's breakfast time. Oh, breakfast. He's going to escort her to her area. There we go. And one of the peacocks on the golden tree over at Whispering Hills Ranch. It is breezy. Well, I think we have a Cooper's hawk up in the sycamore tree at Alviso Adobe Park. We're not yet to the park entrance, and we have the back side of this bird, but that's what it seems to be, and the sun is not fully up yet. Just a short video. He may be leaving soon anyway. Golden ground sparrow. The first down for the bird food in the back area of Alviso Adobe Park. White ground sparrows. Yay, Fluffy. I had to call and whistle for her. She was evidently at Rebecca's, making her way back now by way of the fence top. Come on down, Fluffy. Fluffy, come on down. There you go. Good girl. Yeah. Treat time. Again. There you go. And the sun is finally up. We have a red-tailed hawk in the nest tree that's next to the Last Word Ranch. Has its back to us. It's over there. Here he comes. Here he comes. Second meal. Here we go.